Hey everyone, it's Nancy Ann. Today, Ruger and I are going to be unboxing FitSnack for you. This is a monthly subscription box that is designed to give you healthy snacks on the go, and I have a really terrific discount code for you on this one. It's my very favorite of all of the snack boxes, and I have some major channel news for you, a big update. So you're going to want to stick around for this one. Let's get into this. Welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate you spending a little bit of your time with me today for the unboxing of my wonderful FitSnack box and some major channel news. So FitSnack is a monthly subscription box. It always has at least 9 snacks that are chosen by a registered dietitian. She very carefully searches for these and she finds a lot of things that aren't easily found in the grocery store. In here also is a little workout, a 20-minute workout that is made by a personal trainer. Now the price on this one is only $29.90 a month. That includes shipping. And if you use my link below, you will get your first month for only half off of that, so less than $15. Great price on this, really great way to give this box a try and see if you enjoy it and if it is for you. Several of you have used my link for this box. I'm really glad, and I hope you will tell me below how you have enjoyed this subscription. I'm sure you did, but I want everyone to know I do not get a commission off of this. I am sent the box free for review every month. But I don't make anything if you order this. I genuinely am showing it to you because I really love it. Alrighty, let's get into our box. So on the very top, let's do it like this. Okay, I don't have it opened all the way. I thought it, aha, there it goes. Let's see, there we go. That's what it looks like. You have your FitSnack Fitness Challenge that's here right on the front. This is a combination of cardio with some strength training. It takes about 20 minutes. Make sure you warm up and cool down beforehand. It does say the first round is a warm-up. As a former personal trainer, I would do a little bit more warming up than that myself, and always a good stretch cool down afterwards. On the back of this, they tell you a little bit about the whys and the wherefores of the company. And then on the inside, it will tell you a little bit about each one of the snacks. And then on many, there are discount codes and websites and that kind of thing. Some really great information on the snacks themselves in here. Alrighty, you're ready to get into this box. I love this box. Oh, plantain chips. And by the way, where is my pink chair? This chair is more comfortable. The pink chair anymore has just turned into something I use when I'm actually filming. But when I'm sitting at my desk, I'm always in this gray one. So I know this is kind of a big monstrosity, but my back hurts. So this is what we're doing. So we have 2 different containers of plantain chips. They both, bags of plantain chips. They both are 140 calories. They're both by Bamba Foods. We have a sweet and spicy, and we have a naturally sweet. I am crazy about plantain chips. I didn't really get turned on to them too much until I started the FitSnack box. So next up, we have the Red Peanut Butter Cup Energy Bar. Real food, balanced macros, and clean energy. And I just dropped something on the floor. Oh, it's one of the plantain chips. I don't want to crush them. I want to eat them whole. So this only has peanuts as an allergen. I love that they put allergens at the bottom of the ingredient list anymore these days. Next up, we have the Nourish Organic Strawberry Coconut Bites. Hey, and the bag is even biodegradable, home compostable packaging. Those sound really yummy. Let me see what I can find out for you about these. It says a delicious combination of sweet strawberry pieces, raw honey, and a hint of white cocoa recreates the taste of summer in these bites. A fruity, nourishing nibble for on the go. Oh boy, this sounds so yummy. I love these. This is Peeled Snacks Gently Dried Fruit Organic. These are soft, and the only thing that's in there is organic apples. They are so yummy, very wholesome. These are a big winner for me. And now we have Chum Fruit Bites in both strawberry and mango. So this one only contains apples, pears, and strawberry. And each container is only 60 calories. And this other one only contains apples, pears, and mangoes. 100% fruit, no sugar added. Look at the cute little pictures on the front of these. Little panda and the tiger. And last up, we have, need the glasses, Berg Bites Oat and Energy Bites. We have dark chocolate banana bread and almond butter and jelly. Now I'm going to guess if this is a banana bread, there's nuts in it, but look at the picture on the front. It looks so good. And of course, the almond butter and jelly is going to have nuts in it. But for the rest of the world, this is a great snack. So plant protein, 5 grams of fiber, vegan and gluten-free on both of these. There's 5 bites in each one. And I'm taking a look at the ingredients, and there's some really yummy stuff in this. So let me count and let's see how many snacks we got in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 full-size snacks for the month of October. Can't beat that. Okay, on with some channel news. And now it's time to have a little heart-to-heart. Many of you have probably guessed what this is about. I am going to be backing way, 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 way down on how much I record with the channel. I have had some major things happen that I need to deal with within my family lately. And some of it's been accumulating and some of it has not. Some of it has to do with health things. And some of it has to do with the little granddaughter who moved here in May, who's getting older and who I want to be able to spend maximum time with. The channel, quite frankly, is not making money. It actually costs a little bit of money, but Sam and I have just counted that as a really fun hobby. But by the time I am where I am now at the 2-year mark, I want it to turn a profit if I'm going to be spending this much time on it. And it's just not. You would be surprised how little YouTubers make for what they do. I was listening to one YouTuber I follow who has over 10,000 subscribers, and she said that she doesn't make any money. The money comes from affiliations. I haven't had the money-making type of affiliations really offered to me. I've had plenty of affiliations where I get free product, and that's really terrific, but that doesn't put cash in my pocket. And it hasn't been all about cash, really. But at the 2-year mark, I think I should be making something, especially if I'm going to be putting off other things that are important to me. And I don't want to do that anymore. I want to pay attention to my family the way I need to, both the needs medically and otherwise, and also the wants. Well, I guess for my little granddaughter, it's kind of a need too, isn't it? This is the only one of my 7 grandchildren that I live around, and I adore her, and I want to see more of her, and I want to, as she gets older, be able to go to all of her things. You know, she's going to be dedicated here soon, and anytime she has any sort of little school play or anything like that, I want to be fully available to take care of her and be there for all of her stuff. Does this mean I'm going to stop recording? No, I am going to keep recording, but it's going to just be occasionally from now on. So, you know, if I manage to keep up with the Stitch Fix Style Pass, apparently they're only going to be offering those when the next round comes, and my renewal date is in January. If I manage to keep up on that, I could very well be sharing a monthly Stitch Fix with you. If you guys would like to continue seeing FitSnack, let me know, and I will convey that to the owner of the company. I don't want her to continue sending me the box if it isn't going to be good for her. But on the other hand, if you guys really want to see it and we know we're going to get views on it, I'll give her the option based on what my subscribers tell me in the comments down below. So this isn't goodbye. It's just I'm going to see you less often. And I also want to take an opportunity to give a really, really sincere thank you to every single person who has used any of my discount codes or my links. That has really enabled me to get more offers from companies. It's helped me, one, gain in confidence, which makes me look more appealing to other companies, but also occasionally, like I would have an affiliate link, I'd earn a little bit of money, or they're more likely to reach out to me again and ask me to unbox for them again or show their product. And you guys doing that has actually helped me on a very personal level. And now I'm going to share something really private. I mentioned it in one other video and I haven't mentioned it since then, but I want to share that every single dime I have earned making this channel, and it hasn't been a whole lot, but we didn't use it to pay ourselves back for what we spent. I used it to put into an account that's going to help to pay for future expenses for my son, BJ. Now, you have seen him on occasion, I think maybe just once or twice. He has Down syndrome, as many of you know. He also has some of the aspects of Asperger's and autism without having enough of either one to be able to label him as such. So he's a little more profoundly impacted than most people with Down syndrome are. He does live in a group home, but he's going to have expenses coming up that are going to need to be dealt with. And that was sort of what I had in mind with this channel from the time I thought it could start making some money, was that that would help to be set aside to cover some of those expenses so that it wouldn't be a burden on anyone else, my husband or my children, going into the future. I've only been able to earn a little bit for that, but for anybody who's done anything that has helped earn money for the channel, and honestly, your views, your likes, your comments, all of those things helped move this up, the video, whatever video you're watching, up in the algorithm, which helped with what YouTube was actually paying me. And you guys have been a help with that also. So anything earned here is going towards his future expenses. If you want to know what you can do to help him, I've never wanted to use him as a point of sympathy. His whole life, he's 36, I have not allowed that to happen. But if you would like to help BJ, because I think some of my viewers may like to do that, I have the Buy Me a Coffee link down below. I think for me, I put down a spot of tea because I tend to drink more tea than coffee. And also, if you use my Rakuten, so that saves you money too. And the way that works is you sign up, you spend your first $30 using it, and you actually get $30 back on your first payback check, and then you earn percentages from different sites. And then I also get a $30 bonus when you sign up and you spend your first $30. So anyone who's used that, and several of you have, that money I earned went straight towards my son's expenses. So thank you for that. But if anybody would like to help BJ in the future, that's just a little something you could do. And I really do save every single dime of it for him. So that part of it's been for him. The rest of this has been for me. I've enjoyed the interaction with all of you, and I will continue to do it. It's just going to be a little bit less often. I've made some good friendships, and a couple of them you probably know about, a couple of them you don't. I email a couple of my wonderful subscribers, and we've kind of been friends, one from across the pond. Hello, how are you? And I've really enjoyed making these videos. It's really been mostly just a joy, but it's time for me to pay attention to some other things in life. Thank you very much for understanding. I know you're going to. I know every mom and grandma out there is going to get it. So for now, Ruger and I are going to say bye-bye and be blessed, but it's not the last time, because I will be occasionally checking in with you in the future. Alrighty, we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye and be blessed. Well, welcome, nope, got to start that again. My microphone is doing wonkadoodle things right here. Okay, there we go. Ruger, behave. Not right now, not on camera. Do that when you're alone, okay. You're glaring at me like you hate me. You can't, there's just some things you need to do in private, dude. All right. I can tell, yeah, you're very affected by what I just said. This dog.